and it's time for live for another round of chit chat. And today we are having chit chat with Shriya Dhanvantri, the lead actress of Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story. And you have seen her play Suchita Dalal, and she's literally become a synonym of Suchita Dalal. There wouldn't be a Harshad Mehta story if it wasn't for Suchita Dalal. So let's chat with Shriya about her journey, how it was playing Suchita Dalal, how was it being a part of Scam, a scam that is loved so much and has become a part of every household. So let's see if Suchita is here. But before I send her a request, thank you everyone for joining in our live. Hi Harsha, hi Kriti, hi Rupal, hello Rahul. I am Rocky Rocks. Hi, let's send Shriya a request and get her to join us for this little chitter chatter. So guys, thank you always for being a part of our chitter chat. Sending in lovely emoticons, hearts, and all of it flowing the moment we put the creative for this chitter chatter. Hi Shriya, how are you?
You look so nice. I really thought I'd be done with my hair stuff by the time I'll come live, but I thought, you're more important, so I showed up like this for you.
Thank you for showing up and being here because your fans have been waiting for you to come live. I've been continuously getting DMs and questions for you, like from the time we put up the creative. So thank you for coming here live
Thank you so much.
and
And
thank you for the compliment.
You look stunning.
Thank you. So, besides pampering yourself, how have you been?
I've been fine. I'm really sorry, because I really thought I'll be done with my hair stuff. You can see how it's like piled up and stuff.
Completely okay. It's a simple chitter chatter, yeah. But since you've become a rage now, your scam is a name in every household. So I said, thoda, let me doll up and come to have a chit chat with you.
Thank you, thank you. I can't believe it's blowing up the way it is, yeah. It's
Did you like somewhere expect something like this? Like, when it was released, it's been a long wait, it's out there. Kuch aisa expectations, huh?
So honestly, Shweta, because I tell this to the team also, कि जब मैंने show देखा था, and I think I saw it in July, August, right? And when I saw it, क्योंकि हम जो characters play कर रहे हैं show में, they're completely different. Like we were playing real life characters, so it was very easy for me to disconnect from whom I'm playing, and I was just able to watch it as an audience, and I went mental. Like I saw the show, I immediately called up Hansal and Jay, our writers Sumit Saurav and Pratik. I'm like, yaar, kya bana diya humne? This is like the best pilot I have seen come out of India. What a fantastic show! Oh my god! And I was speaking out like an audience. Because it's like wall to wall dialogues, the show, and it's
Yeah.
completely financial speak. और आधे characters तो अंग्रेजी में बात कर रहे हैं. तो I thought, यार maybe लोग binge नहीं करेंगे, hate or like तो ठीक है बात की बात है, like we can, it's a bonus. But if people watch
Correct.
the show, it'll be great.
And now look at it. It's like suddenly people are saying the dialogue. Everybody's talking about it, and if somebody says, "Oh, I haven't seen," you get like, "You haven't seen the Harshad Mehta story? Like, what is wrong with you?"
I know it's this, so I loved it. Like I said, when I saw it, I loved it. I just hoped कि यार लोग देखेंगे. Like I just hoped people would see the show. Hate or like I said, is much later. But
Later.
they binged it, and how they have become like our sales and marketing team. They have become like our publicity team, and I I'm so grateful. Like you can see my cheeks are pink because of it.
Yeah, and may the smile continue because the show is continuing to rage everywhere and in every household, like I said again. But before I go on our next question, do you want to say something to your fans because they're continuously pouring in the hearts and sending in the highs and hellos to you?
Thank you guys to all the people in the comments, Abdul, Sagar, Amit, King in the North, Anjali, Zishan, all of you, and all the other names that I haven't taken because I'm just completely distracted by this wonderful woman on my screen. But, thank you so much for all the love. Keep spreading the word. Keep making those posts, memes, tweets. जो भी बनाना है बना लो. Tell your friends and family. Keep doing that, and thank you so much. Thank you.
Like you said, you are playing a real character. Like these characters exist. So, how was it, like playing somebody who already exists? You've met the person, and like I say, if Suchita Dalal wouldn't be there, there wouldn't be a Harshad Mehta story. So,
Well,
how did it feel playing such an important character?
so I remember because I'm a huge fan of Hansal Mehta's work. When I found out he was doing a show, I really wanted to be a part of it. And when I got the part, like I was so excited to be a part of the show कि मैंने सोचा नहीं कि यार इसमें तो हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ेगा you know बाद में realization आया like I realized it much later and the tension came in much later. I'm like holy crap, I actually have to play a wonderful, accomplished Padma Shri award winning journalist. So सब tension and nerves बाद में आया. So luckily when I was doing it in the start, I didn't think about it much, which helped. So yeah.
So, how did it go preparing and being the journalist that you're playing? Like, did you meet her? Did you study her? What was your journey like?
So all of us, I mean, in the show, all of us are playing characters based on real people who have lived rich and colorful lives. So, and we had to show these well-lived lives truthfully on screen. So all of us, this is the brief that Hansal gave us that he told us not to mimic. Don't like try to copy mannerisms and things. Just because especially with Sucheta, we don't have that much insight apart from the spoken word and accounts, verbal accounts of people, of how she used to be in her personal life, how she used to be at her workplace. So we had to create the idea of what a journalist at that time who was behind a story, behind the truth, behind exposing what was happening in the market. So how that would look. Hopefully we did something decent because people, like it.
Stop fishing for compliment. Hopefully, we do something
Listen,
decent
I'm
and all
very
that.
humble. I'm not fishing for compliments, Shweta.
This is like everyone has been talking about your past performance, and you're like, hopefully, we did something good.
Humility is a good thing, I'm told. It's a good thing.
And you're showing it right. You're like, कुछ तो हमने अच्छा किया होगा टाइप मतलब इतना बोलने के बाद अगर ऐसे बोलोगे तो I think that's why the comments have started. Oh, you're too good. All those comments have started. Yeah, that is exactly what you wanted to hear right now.
नहीं, don't knock it out.
देखो देखो सब वही बोल रहे कि yes man you are too good. I totally agree with all of them here because I have binge watched on the show because I am not somebody who understands stock and numbers, so I feel like Tare Zameen Par. Like the moment they say numbers, I'm like, what are you talking about? And trust me, when I started watching, I was like, I'll watch one episode, देखते तो है क्या है, and then I think I was just glued to the iPad watching it till it got over, and yeah, that's exactly what happened with me too.
That's awesome.
And
It really is unbelievable when people keep telling us. And we're almost a month from the release. And Socho, we're still talking. I'm still talking to people.
touch wood, yeah,
Yeah, I mean,
it's like growing by the day.
yeah, people are still discovering the show. They're still talking about the show. So I'm really awesome.
So, which is your favorite scene of yours?
This I've said in several interviews and still remains my favorite scene. The face-off between Harshad Mehta and Sucheta Dalal, the wine scene. People are calling it the wine scene. So that
Yeah, the expensive wine scene.
yeah, because I mean, you see the person being chased and the person who is chasing, and you see like different aspects of the same coin of ambition. So that's it's a pretty cool scene.
Like I said, the dialogues are like suddenly they become a talk, like people quote it as if
Thanks
it's
to
like,
wonderful writers, yeah. उन्होंने फाड़ू dialogues लिखे हैं.
both तो है. I was telling Sumit also yesterday, be it the dialogue writers, be it the writers, they've really done a good thing, and it's done so well that you all have just and you all with your performance have made it all the more real for people like us to like quote the dialogues and all of it. Which is your favorite dialogue?
The writers have done such a fabulous job. In that wine scene where he talks about अपने lifetime में कितने कमा लूँ, and then she gives a number 1 crore, 69 lakhs, something. So that number was actually calculated by writers.
Oh,
So that's an actual accurate number of how much she would have earned at the rate that she was continuing with tax. That much.
wow. So they've gone like to that much of detailing. Yeah.
it is actually reflecting in the entire 9 episodes. Like,
Now,
you
what
know,
about the
I
10
said.
episodes? Madam.
अरे फर्स्ट वाला मैंने ऐसे देखा था कि चलो देख लेते ना, बाकी हाँ मैं तो मैं अटक गई थी. So that was a scene. It's very difficult for me to like choose a favorite scene. I like that one scene, where you're waiting for that call to come and you have to get your story printed.
Confirmation, हाँ जी. Say, sixth episode.
And that entire, like, every time the phone rang, I think I was about to pick up the phone. Ki, हाँ, that scene नहीं होने वाला. I'm like, what is wrong? Just give us a go. Like, what is wrong with you all? That was mind state.
Fun fact, Hansal and Jay, who are the co-directors of the show. So Hansal and Jay still joke about the fact that sixth episode, which is called Stop Breath, that is the shortest episode of the series because I'm talking so fast. Even now they tell us, like, yeah, it's the shortest episode of the entire series chale jata hai because you are going like a mile a minute, which is something we added for the length. Who's
Like
singing in the
we was.
background? I can't make out somebody singing.
नहीं वो अजान हो रही है,
Azan.
and because I'm near the balcony, so you can hear the melody of it.
Yeah. Hey man, I grew up, yeah, with that. I grew up in the Middle East, and I cannot tell you how beautiful they sing over there.
Yeah, I agree. I have been hearing that, like, especially with my cousins in Dubai and all, so they keep saying the same thing. Jab bhi we are talking and they hear it, they always say the same thing that you just said. So I totally agree with you on that too.
Yeah.
Which is your favorite dialogue from Scam?
अरे come on यार, वो तो obvious है, रिस्क है तो इसके.
वो तो मतलब ऐसा हो गया कि कोई कुछ नहीं कहता तो कहते हैं रिस्क है तो रिस्क है.
Yeah, I mean, how cool it is because we have grown up seeing dialogues from other films and shows that it becomes like a part of our everyday lexicon and jargon. So true. Something like I can't even imagine how cool it is that I'm a part of something which is going to be quoted for the rest of our lives.
True that. And like I know you all have enjoyed because I've spoken to Pratik, I've spoken to Sumit, and I have also seen the fun post. Like you all had this one post where you all are headbanging to the tune of Scam 92. So there are some fun moments that have stayed with you from the show.
So I don't know if Pratik would have told you this, but lunch always used to be a favorite part. Yeah.
Yeah, he said the same thing.
See. So because we used to do, I mean, we were doing an intense show with like everybody had 10 pages minimum
Yeah.
in a day, and there were intense scenes, very technical scenes. But we all used to sit down for lunch. I used to steal everybody's lunch, especially Pratik's. So it just used to be an amazing time where everybody sat down and spent time together and talked. So lunch is, plus I love food. So it's just, that lunch is always really valuable when you got to know the people you're working with.
So what's your favorite food besides Fafda Jalebi? Because all in your show we've heard is like Fafda Jalebi ko Gujarati ki life se koi nahi nikal sakta. And you've eaten a lot of Gujarati food during the shoot. But otherwise, what is your favorite food?
Honestly, Indian food, I'm not kidding, because the variety we have, shape, size, color, texture, taste, variation, and every like you move 5 kilometers from a certain area, the food changes.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, I love it. Yeah, no discrimination, no partiality. I love food. I love Indian food. All types of Indian food. Actually, I like all food. There's not a lot of things that's
Okay, I think after this live, I'm gonna go and eat a lot of food because suddenly it's like food.
Yeah, I know. It's so funny because I've talked about this so much that people send me like gift hampers and stuff. It's just filled with food.
So now I know what to send you next time. Food.
Yeah, no, because other people are getting like fancy stuff, which I also like. Like.
Okay.
So I'm like, but I've spoken so much about food कि सब खाना ही भेज देते हैं. I'm like, चलो ये भी अच्छा ही है, खा लूंगी.
तो मतलब सबको हम बता दे, all you Instagrammers and other people who are going to watch this show later, it is food and some fancy stuff. You can make it in a hamper and send.
Shweta, you are a smart, wise woman. Listen to her.
Okay, if I'm not wrong, you authored a book called Fade to White.
Yeah, I did.
Am I correct? Yes.
Yes.
And now you were playing a character who's also authoring a book. So what were the similarities? What was it like?
This similarity is just the fact that the book had been written. I think beyond that, there's no similarity because that fiction is non-fiction. And it's Sucheta Dalal and Debashish Basu who wrote like the book that set off a storm. So yeah, I mean, apart from the fact that we've written books, I don't think there's anything else. And the fact that our initials are the same, SDSD.
और कितनी सिमिलैरिटी चाहिए यार, you become a synonym of the character also.
ये दो है बस, बस.
No, you're being greedy. Okay, tell us something about your book.
Oh, okay. So the book is called Fade to White. It's still available on Amazon. It was favored, it was reviewed favorably, which is very cool. So it's contemporary non-fiction, if I have to pick a genre, and it's about three people whose lives are connected, but they get massively changed when one of them goes through a life-altering incident, which alters everybody's lives.
So all you Instagrammers here, Amazon पे जाओ, book खरीदो, review करो, इनको बताओ कि besides being a fan of her acting, I'm sure you will be a fan of her writing work too. I'm gonna go and order after this live.
And another thing to all the people who are saying hi to me, everybody keeps saying hi Shreya Dhan. My name is not Shreya Dhan. My name is Shreya Dhanvantri. And if you're getting confused, the DHAN 1 and 3 is literally Dhan13 in my Instagram handle. Fun fact. My entire family like that, so it became like a family joke where we write our name as DHAN 13. So Dhan13. It's not Dhan13. Stop. So yeah.
So Shreya, engineering पढ़ाई की, फिर modeling में like straight like to femina and all, फिर acting or writing, so many forms of expressing. How did you decide that this is what you wanted to do?
I didn't decide, yeah, because tab when I was growing up, I don't think the entertainment industry is something that people in our families sort of think about. We don't. It's not even something you consider. So it just, I would just say it's like a series of events because I've been studying dance, drama, and music my entire life. So that was something that was a part of my life, yes, but I never thought of turning it into something professional. And I'm really grateful that it turned out to be something that I get to do even now, and somewhat get paid for it and talk to amazing people like you and have people appreciate
Thank you.
what you do. It's pretty awesome. It really is.
So are you like biased towards OTT or because you've done modeling, you've done a lot of series and movies, like you did your debut in White Sheet India. So
Yeah.
where are you biased towards? Like if you had to choose one of them?
So my bias towards this is the same like food. No partiality, no discrimination. I love all forms because in the end you're telling a story. Yeah, whether वो 30-second का ad हो, whether it's a half an hour episode of a 10-hour show series, or if it's like a 2.5 hour, 1.5 hour film, you're still telling a story. You get to play with the characters, find what makes them tick, and tell that story. So any form is cool.
Like you said, everything is story, everything is craft, but you worked in Telugu movies and then you did your debut in Bollywood. So the cultures are a little different, though they both make amazing. So what was the difference like, and how did you cope? The goods, the everything. Tell us about the difference.
So the Telugu film happened because I was in a college down south doing my engineering, and my director was an alumnus of the college. So it was like a massive talent hunt, and I happened to come through that. But I was still in college. I was like 18 when that happened. So the difference is by that time I think I was too young and too excited to actually have the opportunity to be in front of the camera that I didn't actively observe, or I feel like I've grown a lot more. So now if I do another film in the south, I'll be sure to let you know what the differences are.
Okay, so we shall have another live session, another chitter chatter when you do another movie down south to know कि क्या difference है.
Bitter patter, whatever you want. Mary bought a bitter butter.
Chitter chatter, chitter chatter. Let's just stick to chitter chatter, or if we can call it something else in Telugu. I don't know what would chitter chatter be called in a Telugu or Malayalam or. So when you go down south, वो सीख लेना कि वो chitter chatter को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं.
Yeah, we'll ask something. Yeah. If anyone knows the answer, please comment below.
Yeah, you all can comment. So since we are talking about Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story, I would also call it the Harshad Mehta and Sucheta Dalal story. because it's
And
the two of you all together. हाँ यार, सुचिता के बिना हर्षद मेहता की स्टोरी नहीं हो सकती है. सब तीली तो उन्होंने की थी.
सही बात बोल दिया आपने.
So I'm gonna tell some dialogues and we're gonna have a quick. So there are two rounds we're gonna play with you.
Ooh,
One
like games. चलो.
is you like games, I'm sure. So पहले scam वाली game खेलनी है कि दूसरी game खेलनी है? Decide what do you want first.
We'll go scam first.
Okay, so I'm gonna say some dialogues and ask you questions, and I've understood that you're enjoying chitter chatter, so you're not gonna take time to think because you're not allowed to think. You just have to say it like quickly.
Okay.
लोचा लफड़ा और जलेबी फाफड़ा, इसको गुजराती की लाइफ से कोई नहीं निकाल सकता. आपकी लाइफ में ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो कोई नहीं निकाल सकता?
Books and movies.
फेवरेट
food, yeah.
बुक्स. मैं वही सोच रही थी, खाना खा लिया.
Food.
फेवरेट जॉनर टू रीड.
I actually really like a good thriller.
Any recommendations for your Instagram followers right now when it comes to a good thriller?
Yeah, I'm surprisingly the one that I will recommend is not a thriller. It's a fantasy, like this fat book series. It's called the King Killer Trilogy. Oh my god, I was lost in it. Couldn't stop reading. King
रात से
Killer Trilogy
झूठ.
by Patrick Rothfuss. Sorry.
हाँ. Okay, so all you people who want to read, you all know what to read after her book. So first download her book, buy her book, and after you finish reading that book, this is another book that she likes, so you can read this too.
I'm really liking you, Shweta. I'm really liking you.
Okay. रात से झूठ नहीं बोलते, रात को सबके राज पता है. आपके राज किसको पता है?
My sister.
रिस्क है तो इश्क है. कौन सी चीज से आप सबसे ज्यादा इश्क करते हैं खाने के अलावा?
My parents.
अभी अपने पास खर्च करने को सिर्फ टाइम है. ये खर्च नहीं किया तो बॉन्ड के चक्कर में खुद को खर्च कर देंगे. So what is it which is your favorite time pass? Like how do you love passing your time when you're not working?
Board games. I have like 75 board games just in Delhi, and in Hyderabad I have like another 50. So I have like 120 something board games.
Okay, I really like you because I enjoy books, I love board games, and I love food, and you're just taking names of these things. So I'm really enjoying the chitter chatter.
Only things you need in life. I don't know what to say.
मार्केट में सबसे बड़ा जोखिम ना लेने में है. When do you think आपने सबसे बड़ा जोखिम अपने लाइफ का लिया?
Like in terms of what?
Whatever, it could be studying, it could be acting, it could be anything. When you thought you really took this jokhim in life.
What exactly is jokhim when it translated in law?
It's similar to
Like a
risk if I'm not
risk.
mistaken.
Like a risk.
Yeah.
I think the biggest risk was, and it's not exactly a risk, it's something I wanted to do. So I went.
You've gone silent. You went
Can you hear
silent.
me?
I went and then you, yeah. I went and you became mute after that.
Okay. So it's not exactly a risk because this is something I wanted to do, but I was really like shit scared when I went deep sea diving with sharks.
Okay, that was the biggest jokhim of your life कि by chance ये shark पसंद कर ले मुझे और खा ले तो क्या?
Something like that.
Success क्या है? Failure के बाद का नया chapter. When in life did you feel that oh I failed, but I'm gonna get up and move towards success?
This like when is the moment you took like a big step, right? So when I moved to Bombay, honestly, when I moved to Bombay and see, yeah, let's give this, trying for films and trying for the entertainment business like a real shot. That's when I moved to Bombay.
Profit दिखता है तो कोई भी झुकता है. You've done a lot of work, but scam has made it reach to another level. तो क्या difference feel होता है?
यार हमें I was talking to Pratik also. The only thing we want are more opportunities. बाकी सब तो bonus है, honestly. तो अगर अगला opportunity मिल जाए तो और क्या चाहिए?
True that. May God willing you get a very good opportunity and may that be bigger than scam also is something we all wish for you today. इमोशन में इंसान हमेशा गलती करता है. ऐसा कोई इमोशनल मोमेंट था जो आपको लगता है यार गलती हो गई? Should have been more careful.
Every time I fell in love. every time.
अली बाबा और 40 चोर, हर्षद और ग्रो मोर, श्रिया और क्या?
Shreya and Never Give Up.
Wow.
I wish I could rhyme it with more. I was thinking of rhyme it with more. नहीं,
Ah, नहीं मिल रहा है एक्चुअली, मुझे भी फिलहाल नहीं मिल रहा है.
yeah, that's what.
श्रिया एंड
I have a rhyming answer.
नेक्स्ट टाइम.
Next time.
लाला, ओल्ड स्कूल हो या न्यू स्कूल, सबके स्कूल में एक सब्जेक्ट कॉमन होता है, प्रॉफिट, और वो मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट है. आपका फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट क्या है?
Oh, science. Anything to do with science. Physics, chemistry, bio, name it. Science.
सो स्कैम वाले गेम में तो यू गॉट ए प्लस. स्कैम वाले गेम में तो यू गॉट एन ए प्लस. अब दूसरी वाली गेम विच इज दिस और दैट एंड इट हैज टू बी अगेन क्विक. एक्शन मूवी, एडवेंचर मूवी,
Okay. Adventure.
romantic movie, or means rom-com drama or rom-com comedy,
Comedy.
historical or science fiction, though I know this answer, historical or science fiction,
Science fiction, hands down. Hands down.
war or crime,
Crime.
superheroes or supernatural,
So, oh, supernatural.
superheroes or supernatural, thriller or horror.
Horror.
If you had to be a part of a show, reality TV or game show,
Game show.
musical, animation,
Musical.
drama or comedy,
Comedy.
पॉपकॉर्न की समोसा थिएटर में.
Popcorn.
So you have again got an A plus because this is like quick. It's the second game, and I know you're really good in games. So I'm already fearing playing a board game with you because you're gonna be like really at it.
We like games. It's a big gaming family.
So thank you, Shreya, for removing time for this chitter chatter. And in spite of being late where you are, you still tuned in and you're here giving us time, chatting with us. So thank you so much for this chitter chatter. And before we sign out, anything you want to tell all of them who are saying hi and love for you?
Thank you so much, everyone who's watching the show, everybody who tunes in for the lives, who makes the comments, the posts, the memes, the everything. Thank you so much. Please continue being our sales and marketing and publicity team. We love you for it, and hopefully we'll come back with something to entertain you again.
Thank you and hope to see you soon.
Thank you, Shweta. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being on our show and have a good weekend. See you soon.
Thank you. Bye. Bye, everyone. Thank you.
Bye.